In this video, we listed the 5 best circular saw under $100 on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. PATUOPRO 5-inch circular saw. The PATUOPRO cordless circular saw is a versatile and high-performance tool designed for home DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Powered by a 20V battery, not included, it features a brushless motor for stable power output, longer runtime, and extended lifespan. With a no-load speed of 6,800 RPM, this compact and lightweight saw delivers precise and smooth cuts, capable of handling materials up to 42 mm thick with adjustable cutting depths and bevel angles, 0 to 45 degrees. Its ergonomic design allows for one-handed operation, reducing fatigue during use, while the built-in LED light ensures visibility in low-light conditions. Safety is prioritized with a switch lock to prevent accidental operation. Compatible with various 18V series lithium batteries, it is not compatible with G series or NICD batteries. With its advanced features, including high-speed precision cutting, enhanced safety measures, and versatility, this circular saw is an excellent choice for woodworking and home improvement projects. Number 2. DEKO DKCS Series Circular Saw. The DEKO DKCS 150C1 is a circular saw designed for home DIY projects, originating from mainland China. It features a no-load speed of 4,800 RPM and operates on an AC power source with a rated voltage of 220V and a frequency of 50 Hz. The saw is equipped with a 185mm blade diameter, making it suitable for precise cutting tasks. It has a compact and portable design with dimensions of 25 cm x 28 cm x 23 cm and a weight of 4.6 kg. Notably, the product does not contain any high-concern chemicals, ensuring safe usage. Overall, it is a reliable tool for home improvement enthusiasts. Number 3. ALLSOME Electric Circular Saw. The ALLSOME Electric Circular Saw is a versatile, lightweight, and efficient tool designed for home DIY projects. It is suitable for cutting a variety of materials, including solid wood, PVC, MDF, plywood, stone, ceramic tiles, and more. The saw features an adjustable bevel cutting angle from 0 degrees to 45 degrees for multi-angle cutting needs and a solid metal guide plate for consistent cutting depth along surfaces. It has a soft rubber handle for comfortable operation and reduced hand fatigue, along with a semicircular protective cover for safety against dust and wood chips. The saw is powered by a Makita 18V battery, not included, and operates at a no-load speed of up to 10,800 RPM. With a blade diameter of 125 mm and a maximum cutting depth of 40 mm, it is ideal for precise and efficient cutting tasks. Additional safety features include a manual control switch and lock button. Its brushless motor ensures durability and extended machine life, while its lightweight design allows for convenient one-handed operation. Number 4. Yofidra 5-inch circular saw. The Yofidra 5-inch brushless circular saw is a versatile and efficient cutting tool designed for durability and performance. Powered by a robust brushless motor, it offers a maximum speed of 10,800 RPM and supports a 125mm blade diameter with a cutting depth of 45 mm, making it ideal for cutting materials such as solid wood, PVC, MDF, plywood, stone, and ceramic tiles. Its adjustable cutting angle, 0 to 45 degrees, enhances versatility for multi-angle tasks. The ergonomic design features a soft rubber handle for comfortable operation, a semicircular protective cover for safety against dust and wood chips, and a manual control switch with a lock button to prevent accidental startups. Lightweight and compatible with Makita 18V batteries, the saw is perfect for one-handed operation, making it suitable for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The package includes 3 saw blades, ensuring immediate usability, though it is not compatible with G series or NICD batteries. Number 5. Yofidra Circular Saws. The Yofidra 125mm brushless circular saw is a versatile and efficient woodworking tool designed for home DIY projects and professional use. Powered by an 18V brushless motor, it delivers a no-load speed of up to 10,800 RPM and supports a cutting depth of 45mm with adjustable angles ranging from 0 degrees to 45 degrees for precise bevel cuts. It features a 5-inch, 125mm, blade with 24 teeth, making it suitable for cutting solid wood, PVC, MDF, plywood, stone, ceramic tiles, and more. The saw is lightweight with a soft rubber handle for comfortable one-handed operation, while safety features include a manual control switch, lock button, and semicircular protective cover to guard against dust and wood chips. It is compatible with Makita 18V B-series lithium batteries but not with G-series or NICD batteries. The tool is available in various packages with options for different battery capacities, up to 22,500 mAh, and accessories like saw blades and chargers. CE certified, this circular saw combines durability, efficiency, and user-friendly design for diverse cutting applications.